You know where two of your iPhone speakers are located, so where are the other two? iPhones have always had four speakers on them, so why does Apple only use the bottom right and the earpiece and not use the other two? To the uneducated, iPhones only ever had one speaker. When you watch a video or listen to music, people are familiar with the classic bottom right holes every iPhone has. Let's find out why you don't have access to 2 out of 4 speakers on your iPhone. There of course is the earpiece that counts as a speaker as well, but that used to only be restricted and used for phone calls. This speaker with the iPhone X now acts as a stereo for multimedia use, making people believe that modern iPhones have been upgraded and now have 2 working speakers rather than the traditional one. Modern day iPhones have 2 speakers in use, a bottom right speaker and an earpiece, and this will produce stereo sound. So where are the other 2 speakers out of the total of 4 that every iPhone comes with? And why would Apple add an extra 2 speakers to an iPhone and not use them? Let's find out why you don't have access to 2 out of 4 speakers on your iPhone. Speakers and microphones are the exact same technology. All microphones can be used as speakers, so why does Apple restrict a user from enabling this on an iPhone? When you plug a microphone into a computer, the goal is to input audio. You speak to the computer, but you can actually set the mic as an output device, and that microphone will act as a speaker. The problem is, however, doing this will increase the risk of damaging the microphone, so blasting music through a microphone on your computer and not the speaker will affect its ability to record in the future. So the same logic is applied to iPhones. iPhone speakers and mics are small, so using a microphone for its non-intended purpose would have a long-term effect and make any audio recording not possible in the future. And this goes for the speaker on the back of the iPhone too. It's even smaller and wouldn't even be worth making it into an actual speaker.